Hello guys, hope you all are doing well today. I did just like plain stew where I just blend tomatoes, garlic, plenty of ginger, and then just put everything in this saucepan. Then boil the meat. It's assorted meat. Cow foot is there, and dry turkey is there, chicken is there, fish is there. So I didn't fry it. I just blend the tomatoes, plenty of ginger, garlic, onions, chili pepper, put Maggi cube and all the little spice I want. And I just, then I just use it to cook this stew. I didn't fry it because it's not every day you fry. So I'm gonna eat it with this corn meal. This is corn meal, which I'm just doing now on the fire, because when you do it light, by the time it gets cooled down, it's gonna be like a little bit harder. So you make it lighter, like you make your pounded yam. So I did this corn meal. It's on the fire now cooking. And I did this green vegetable that I'm going to, the steam. I'm going to eat with this one. This is green vegetable fried with red onions, garlic. It's greens. It's like pumpkin leaf. It's like ugu leaf. You buy it from the supermarket. So I just fry it. So I'm going to eat with this and this stew as well. I didn't fry this stew. I just decided today like to make it like not every day you fry, but I tip in some little oil. My normal oil I used to cook with. So it's cooked now. So what I'm going to do is this one here. What I do here is you just put this at one corner, then bring this here, dipping your spoon in the water so it can be easily come out from the pot. I'm not eating much, so just put it there a little bit, and tip in some vegetable, my cooked vegetable inside, in there like that. Put in the vegetable in there. Then I put my stew. Put this aside, and I put my stew. And I put in my stew. The stew wasn't fried. I didn't fry it. Not every day you fry. Then put in some stew in there. You can see the steam. So, like I always say, this is my dinner. So the stew wasn't fried, Not every day you fry. I just feel like not frying today. It's very easy way today. Just blend my tomatoes, pepper, crayfish, garlic, plenty of garlic, ginger, because of this cold weather. So I put a lot of ginger and garlic, and I blend it with tomatoes, put some crayfish, then just tip it in the saucepan, then put in some oil, my usual oil, put in my oil, inside, and just cook it like that. Blend the onions inside with tomatoes. So I didn't fry today. So it's just simple. Not every day fry, guys. So this is it. My cornmeal, my stew, and my vegetable like ugu leaf. So I'm going to sit down now and enjoy it. And guys, keep subscribing. Go down below the Conco bell and click and subscribe and leave your comment below. And then please, I urge you all to keep subscribing on my channel. Just encourage me, just encourage me and get me going as well, So this is my cornmeal, stew, not fried, and vegetable to eat with it. And thank you, guys. And have a lovely day. And thank you. Keep subscribing. And remain blessed. And take care. And bye.